What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Rocky from Gigantosaurus. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve coming down the middle and we'll bring that back up on the right. Now on the right side we're just going to work our way along the outside of the tusk. So starting up here, it's going to go up and we'll slowly bend that out towards the left. Let's round out the top and then bend that back down. Now it's going to round out the tip of the tusk, pull that in, round out the top. Now we're going to come down and just bend that out towards the left, leaving a gap along the bottom. Let's add two ovals along the bottom for the nostrils. So we'll start on the left and then the right side. Now we're going to go back to the left side and draw on the bottom of the mouth. So we're going to step in, curve the mouth coming down, and we'll just tuck that up on the right. Let's add the top row of teeth on the left, curve this down and across, and then go straight up underneath. Now we're going to draw the bottom row of teeth. Along the side, draw a short line coming in, and we'll trace the bottom of the mouth along the inside. Let's add the tongue along the top, coming down and in. Just going to add a point along the bottom. Now I'm going to go back up to the top left, just going to work our way around the side of the mouth. I'm going to go up, bend this around the corner of the mouth, and then bring that down towards the bottom. Let's tuck this back up along the right side, going across and then up. And now we're going to move out to the side and draw the inside edge of the eyes. Let's start over on the left, curve the eye coming down and then out. Let's line this up on the right, coming down and out. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the outside of the eye. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a half circle, going all the way around and then back in. Now you want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. Starting on the left, just draw a circle, going all the way around, just tuck that in, and line that up on the right side. Let's draw a smaller circle along the center, going all the way around. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black, going around the highlight. Now let's place the thick brow along the top of the eye. Starting on the left, curve this up, and then down in behind the tusk. And then we'll add a fold along the bottom of the eye. Stepping out, curve this down, and then in. And then underneath that fold, let's draw the cheeks coming around and then in behind the side of the mouth. So we'll start on the left, going out, down, and then in toward the side. Go to the right, come down, and then bend that in. Now from here we move down and draw the side of the neck. Let's start on the left side underneath the mouth, bend this around, and then out. Let's go to the right side of the mouth, come down, and then out. Now I'm going to round up the stomach and pull that in towards the center. So I'll start on the left, drawing this out and pulling that in towards the middle. Go to the right, come all the way around, and then back in. Now I want to add a series of curves coming down the body. Let's start from the very top, bend this down and then up. Let's leave the gap and draw that again. And we'll continue all the way down towards the bottom edge of the body. Now from the top, we're just going to step out and just follow that same curve, coming in and then down towards the top edge of the arms. Let's leave a small gap and just continue around, go out. I'm just going to bring that all the way down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go over towards the right, come down, go around the body, and bend that back down towards the same height. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. inside the leg, bend this up and then out. And then along the top, we're gonna add one more curve, coming down and up. Let's add 3 half circles along the bottom of each foot for the toes. So we'll start with the outside, and the same thing along the inside, and then one in between. Now let's go back up and draw the arms inside that gap. Starting from the top of the bottom line, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's add the thumb. From the wrist, come in and then down, round up the thumb, and bend that back up. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the top of the thumb, then the first finger going out and down, round up the finger, go up, and bend that back in. Now let's layer 2 more fingers on either side. Start from the outside, bring this around, up, and then in, move up, draw the 3rd finger, and we'll bend that in towards the outside of the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're just going to step down, now let's connect the wrist to the bottom of that top line with a curve, going up and then in. Now let's swing the tail over towards the left side. We're going to start from the side of the leg, bend the tail going out, and pull that up underneath the hand. Go up to the top of the hand, bend the tail going up and out. Let's draw the top edge of the tail, starting from the end. And the tail is going to get thicker as we come back down in behind the arm. Continue along the bottom and just tuck that in toward the side of the body. Now let's add those bumps along the top of the tail. Starting from the end, we're going to go up and down with a half circle and just continue all the way in toward the inside of the tail. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Rocky from Gigantosaurus. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, then click on this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.